Hello everyone, just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to post an event on the What's On Links website. So here we go. This is my home page. I've just gone to my search engine, typed in linksconnect.co.uk, and that's brought me along to the home page here. So what I want to do now is enter my event, so I'll submit that. When it catches up, here we go. I don't need to sign in, and you don't need to sign in. We're just interested in posting an event. So organizer's name, I shall put that in as Mandarin Therapies. If I can spell it right, here we go. And organizer's email. Oops. There we go. Martin at mandarinleisure.com. That's me. Event title, mobile complementary therapies. I want to make it specific. I want people to know where it is. So I'm going to put in Lincolnshire. Obviously you need to put in something that's going to stand out, just to get people's attention in the first line. So I think I've got just about everything in here that I need. So if not, I can come back and edit that later on before submitting. So event type, well, it's complementary therapies, so I'm going to go down to do we have one there for therapies? So I've put in therapies as an event. If you're looking around for events to add and you can't find the one that suits you, just drop me an email and I'll add in a suitable event title for you. So event category, likewise with the categories, if you can't find something that suits your specific requirements, then contact me again. So health and well-being for that one, for me, is not online, it is at home. It is covering the whole of Lincolnshire, so I can't put in a postcode. Required, I do need to put in the country, which is obviously in the UK, so we'll whiz down to the bottom, add that in there. Event location, okay, well I can put Lincolnshire, so that's covering the whole county. I already have pictures that are on the, shall we say, on the back end of my my site, so that I can just go and select the picture that I want to add in. So I can do that for myself later on. However, for you, I suggest you then click on choose a file and then just double click and enter the picture that you want to put in for your event. It could be your poster or whatever it is you're using. Okay, so we've got that. Okay, when it comes to description, I want to make sure that Google and other search engines can find me, so I want to make it uniform. So I'm going to copy this bit here. I shall copy that and I shall paste it in here. But I want to make this stand out, so I want that as a title. So I'm going to just very quickly change that from paragraph to heading, make it in bold. Okay, it's automatically changed to paragraph, so hopefully this is going to work. I'm going to paste it in again and it didn't work, so not to worry. I'll just type in the E for Lincolnshire, put that in there. I shall highlight that and make sure that it is a paragraph. I don't want this in bold. I should put a full stop in, and then I'm going to invite people to come along and book a session of complementary therapies. So what should we use for some text on here? Mobile complementary therapies from the comfort of your own home. Book today, call. Call, there we go, and type in my number. I want people to be able to call directly from this advert, so if I just highlight that, go onto the link button, and I just type in tell, and I go on, and then my number. And then this return button here, and you'll see that's highlighted in blue and it's ready to go. I don't need anyone to register for this, it's not an event. I can add in a video, so I'm going to do that. Here's one that I've got on my YouTube channel, so I go to that one, here it is here. So all I do now is just copy that link, go back to my advert that I'm creating, paste in that link, and my video will turn up when I'm ready, when it's posted. So let me think, let's go for the 17th of May to start. Let's make it a reasonable time, shall we? First thing in the morning for most people is going to be 9 o'clock. End day, I'm just going to do a quick advert here, so 17th to the 18th of May. It is not free, it is paid. End time, let's go for 10 p.m. for the last appointment on Saturday. Ticket price, I should put from. This just goes to show how versatile this is. Obviously it depends on how long a session you're booking. Registration deadline, not interested in that. I'm going to put in my, whoops, it is it. Where have we gone? There we go. Sorry about that, technical. Registration deadline, not interested. Website, I could put in all sorts of things. I could have my Facebook page, my Twitter page, a blog page. I'm going to put in my actual website. Go on. Mandalodge.com. Venue. Okay, so all of this is done. I can preview that. As I say, there is no picture here at the moment that I put in, but that doesn't matter because I can add that in myself on the back end later on. So it tells you everything you need to know. Mobile complementary therapies in Lincolnshire, Biomandarin therapies, mobile complementary therapies in Lincolnshire is the title. Mobile complementary therapies in Lincolnshire, you can see what I've done here. That's added in 3 times already, so Google is more likely now to start picking this up. Mobile complementary therapies, again, from the comfort of your own home. Book today, and a phone number which you can click straight on to contact and book. Okay, so that's that done. Once I could watch the video, but I'm not going to. Once I've done all this, I can then revisit my advert. Once it's all loaded up, I can post it onto Facebook directly from this advert. I can post it to my Twitter, or X it is now, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever this one is here, and that's it. It is as easy as that. Once that's done and I'm happy, I'm going to submit listing, and that's gone to the for me to be authorized to go onto the site. What I would suggest you do once you've done all this is to then revisit your advert on the website by going straight to the What's on Links page. Once you've done that, find your advert. You can choose it. You can find it by going into the categories, or finding it from the date, and then just keep on posting it and posting it again onto your social media pages, or copying the link and posting it onto your own website or wherever it is that you want it to be seen. And it really is as easy as that. The more that you use it, the more people are likely to see it, and the more you tell your friends about it, the more they're likely to come and visit, and the whole thing will snowball and the whole thing will get a lot bigger. So let's get going and see if we can't get this What's on Links website up and running effectively. It is the only website in the county where you can post centrally for the whole county. So please do bear that in mind. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. I'm just going to click out of here now, and I look forward to seeing your posts on the website very soon.